If you're an Apple user looking for a reliable remote desktop solution, you've probably heard of Screens. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see if this app is worth your time and money. Screens is a remote desktop application specifically designed for Apple devices, allowing you to access your Mac or PC from anywhere. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, which is a big plus for those who might be intimidated by tech. You can easily set up connections to multiple devices, and the app supports features like file transfers and clipboard sharing, making it quite functional for everyday use. One thing that stands out is the app's ability to connect over both Wi-Fi and cellular networks, which adds a layer of convenience for users on the go. However, the setup process may feel a bit convoluted for some, especially if you're not familiar with network settings. Additionally, while the app provides solid performance, there are occasional lags, especially with high-resolution displays, which can be frustrating during critical tasks. Overall, Screens is geared toward Apple users who need a straightforward remote access solution, but some might find the initial setup and performance to be a bit lacking. Let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, Screens offers a beautifully designed interface and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, which is a huge advantage if you're already using Apple products. The ability to connect over different networks is also a significant benefit for mobile users. On the downside, the initial setup can be a hurdle, particularly for those who aren't tech savvy. Additionally, while it performs well most of the time, there can be noticeable lag with high-resolution displays, which might not suit everyone's needs. The pricing could also raise eyebrows, as some may find it a bit steep compared to other remote desktop solutions out there. If you need a robust, high-performance solution, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Screens is a solid choice for Apple users who want a user-friendly remote desktop app, but it does have its limitations. If you're looking for something straightforward and are okay with minor performance issues, it's worth trying. However, more demanding users may want to consider other options that provide more robust features.